I'll start. You know, Darren, the other day I taught a CE class down at the Board of Realtors.
Yeah.
I asked the question to the room full of realtors. I said, what's the number one concern about a reverse mortgage?
And I was sitting there in that room, and the answer was most people feel like it's some kind of scam still. There's some kind of halo effect from the early 2000s that people feel like they're getting scammed or losing their house somehow.
Absolutely. The term reverse mortgage refers to a variety of reverse mortgage products. There's the FHA home equity conversion mortgage, which is the most popular. There's some proprietary products, and then there's the private sector. The private sector is where a lot of those fears came from because they're not regulated. The proprietary and, of course, the FHA home equity conversion mortgage, the two more popular reverse mortgages, are very safe. And it's easy for me to say that, and you're like, oh, sure, Curtis, that's not necessarily true. But it is, and it's a safe product. The scariest product out there is a 30-year fixed mortgage. Why? Because if you quit making your payment, they ask you to leave. On a reverse mortgage, there's no payment due, and the loan doesn't come due until after you either leave the house or pass away, and then we convey the equity that's left into your estate to your kids. Mm-hmm. So some of the reasons why they say, well, it's a scam, they're concerned that you're not on title, which you absolutely are still on title. You're entitled to your home. Now you're entitled to it then. You pay your taxes and insurance now. You have to pay those when you're on a reverse mortgage. You just pay them like you have on a forward mortgage. Yeah. And it's just very safe in that, again, there's no payment. There's some FHA guarantees. That line of credit is guaranteed for the life of the loan, no matter what the value of the house is. And you're protected in that if by some chance that the house is upside down, you owe more on it than it's worth at the time of your passing and the time that you sell it, you're not responsible for the additional FHA steps in and takes that portion that you're over. I really chopped that up.
Yep.